Okay, here it is. The Star Warning System, or SVP 1166HM. That's for halogen magnetic, in case you're wondering. Teardrop warning light, very similar to the Federal Signal Fireball and a couple others. This is a 12-volt lamp. It is made in the USA. And it's got a halogen bulb. It comes with a magnetic kit to mount it on the dash. So you put this on your dash. That's steel. You take this, slap it on the dash, and if I can find it, it's got that. So it actually sits up here on the dash, and when this plastic cover is on the back, it doesn't blind you while you're driving. Otherwise, you can just take it right off, and the magnetic mount is extremely strong. The car engine is currently off. The motor was on, and the voltage were a little bit higher. The motor would be spinning a little bit faster. So you'd have a slightly higher flash per minute rate. This is the real deal. This is the Kojak Light, as they say. You know, there's a lot of these things on the market right now. What you really want to look for, the big one, is the base. You can kind of tell if it's a cheap Chinese one or not. Kind of look at the base. Look at the quality of the materials that were used to build this. This is a steel base. This is a really heavy-duty product. I've dropped it several times with no real issues. You know, it's got a traditional bayonet style bulb in there that's easily replaceable. These come in a variety of configurations. You can see AC assembled this one, and the magnetic base here does come with a plastic kind of protective shield that you can, you know, put over the magnet to protect your paint on your vehicle. This is a nice light to have handy, just, you know, if you're on the side of the road, or you know, you have another reason to you know, have a light, really, if you're stuck on the side of the road, or you live where I live, where the people think the parking lane is actually a passing lane, and smash into cars and total vehicles and stuff like that, because they run into parked vehicles at 50 miles an hour. This is great to prevent that. It is a teardrop light. I mean, it's a nice looking light. Remove this, of course. It's gonna work, but just for demonstration purposes. There it is on the roof, and you can just slap it up on the roof, just like Telly Savalas did, or in Kojak. These types of lights in the format of the Federal Signal Fireball are really popular, even to this day. You know, we've got all these LEDs and you know, 10 million lumen output LED bulb, you know, light bars and other types of signaling equipment out there now. That is, you know, some of it is very high quality stuff, and some of it is very not high quality stuff. So kind of, you know, pay attention to these things if you are buying these kinds of products. The other one that I have is a Echo 5800 series, and I keep that in the SUV. I'll probably have to save that for another video, but this goes right in the emergency kit with another oldie but goodie. This is a magnetic mount spotlight, halogen lamp, 55 watt spotlight that just goes on the front, and then of course, you know, the Haynes book, fire extinguisher, handheld spotlight, various antennas for all the radio junk, yeah, that's really it. We can look at the Echo 5800 series at another point, but those are great on